Hello friends, it's Jim O'Rear. Welcome back to Jim O'Rear's Wacky World. Today, we are going over to Disney's Typhoon Lagoon, one of their water parks. And you may know or may not know that they do rent umbrellas and cabanas and things like that. And it's a really nice way to spend the day at Typhoon Lagoon Water Park so that you have kind of a little private place to go back to that's yours alone. And if you have been interested in maybe renting a cabana, which they call Beachcomber shacks, they're a little pricey. They can range somewhere depending on the season and everything like that, $300 to $500 for a day, but they're well worth it. And if you want to see what one is like, I am going to give you a glimpse at one of the Premium Plus Beachcomber shacks at Disney's Typhoon Lagoon. Typhoon Lagoon is my favorite of Walt Disney World's water parks, and this is it right here. If you've never been there before, there's wave pools, slides, a lazy river, there's a beach, all kinds of fun stuff. It's a great little water park. But the really cool way to experience it is by getting a Beachcomber shack. It does take reservations, but they're in a private area like this right here. And, it's a great place to get away from the crowd, have a quiet little space where you can relax in between things. And this right here is the Premium Plus Beachcomber shack. You notice it's got a nice big fan up there to keep you cool. And when you go into the shack, you've got an assortment of furniture and tables, some chairs, a couch, a recliner, a big table to eat from. This Premium Plus shack comes with towels. There's a menu right there. You have your own server that will come get you food. You've got a television that you can watch Disney or whatever you want to watch. We were watching Disney. There's also a cooler, and this comes with unlimited bottled water. If you drink it all, they bring you more. You also have your own safe right there to put your valuables in when you go get into the water. It comes with refillable mugs, and you can refill these all day long. Doesn't cost anything extra. They're cute little mugs. It's got Blizzard Beach and Typhoon Lagoon on there with Mickey and Minnie. And you can burn through that stuff on a hot day. But you can also order these fruity drinks. Yummy, yummy fruity drinks, and relax there in your Beachcomber shack with a cheese and fruit platter, maybe. Yeah, get some of that. It's nice and refreshing. But it's a great way to spend the day at Typhoon Lagoon. You can order lunch and all kinds of stuff there, but that's a look at the Premium Plus shack and what you get with that out there at Typhoon Lagoon. It is a wonderful little premium shack. There you go. That is what it is like to have a premium Beachcomber shack over there at Typhoon Lagoon Water Park. It makes the day really relaxing just to have a place to sort of get away and relax between water slides and wave pools and things like that. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, click that like button. That lets the powers that be know that you like the video. And while you are at it, click on follow or subscribe, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.